امریکی نشریاتی ادارے CNN کے رپورٹر نے دعویٰ کیا ہے کہ بھارتی حملے کے بعد پاکستان نے بھارت پر نہ رکنے والے میزائلوں کی بارش کر دی تھی، جس کے بعد بھارت مذاکرات کی میز پر آنے پر مجبور ہوا۔ یہ پاکستان نہیں بلکہ بھارت تھا جس نے امریکہ سے سیز فائر کروانے کا کہا۔
According to the source, Pakistan responded with a massive barrage of missiles and rockets, they say, Pakistan says, into Indian military facilities, bases inside India, air bases, weapon storage, and along that disputed line of control in Kashmir against military bases there. They say that this, from the Pakistan perspective, their communications, how they were communicating with Secretary Rubio, that really put India on the back foot. It didn't know what had happened. India, according to Pakistan, reached out to Secretary Rubio, reached out to the Saudis, reached out to the Turks, reached out to others to find a diplomatic off-ramp, got engaged after that onslaught in diplomacy, but telling the mediators that they were going to go on a pause on the Indian side. And then, according to Pakistan,